Hi everyone, and a warm welcome back to Box's YouTube channel, where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Iiyama G Master Red Eagle G2466HSU-B1. The assembly on this monitor was really simple. I just had to attach the stand and twist on one screw and the monitor was ready to go. I really like this Iiyama's simple design. It has lovely thin bezels which allow you to make the most out of the screen space. And it has a sleek and elegant look which could fit easily in a gaming room or even home office. This 23.6-inch curved monitor is inspired by the curve of the human eye, as it has a 1500 radius curvature, which is designed to create realistic and comfortable viewing as well as more captivating gameplay. The curvature also makes this 23-inch monitor appear a lot bigger than it is, as it wraps around you and allows your eyes to cover a wider field of view. So, for those who want to make the most out of a small space but don't want to compromise on screen size, this is great. The stand allows you to tilt to find an angle that's perfect for you. Although this monitor doesn't twist or swivel, this wasn't a problem, as this curved monitor is designed for you to be sat directly in front of it. If you didn't want to use the stand, this monitor is also VESA mount compatible, so it can be easily wall mounted too. When it comes to connectivity, this monitor supports a range of hardware options to cover all your needs. It has 2 HDMI ports, a display port, 2 USB ports and a headphone jack. Other than a power button, this monitor has just one button that's in the form of a joystick, which allows you to easily navigate through settings. And finally, it has two 2-watt built-in speakers. Whilst these aren't the loudest of speakers, they are a great addition to have on a monitor that offers excellent value for money. This monitor has an impressive refresh rate of 165Hz and a 1 millisecond response time to ensure fluid and accurate transition between images, superb image quality, and improved graphic performance. It also has Freesync technology to reduce stuttering or tearing at virtually any frame rate. Its refresh rate, response time, and Freesync technology lets you perform at your very best by reducing ghosting, stuttering, and tearing, which can give you a competitive edge in a variety of games. The Iiyama also has 1920 by 1080p resolution, so this full HD monitor can deliver crisp visuals. And its VA panel supports content with beautiful colour and luminance, which also makes it excellent for content creation or media streaming. It also has excellent contrast ratio, so you can see a variety of tones and contrasts in darks and lights. On top of this, you can adjust the brightness and dark shades with the black tuner so that the details are always clearly visible, allowing you to spot any enemies lurking in the shadows. This monitor has a variety of predefined gaming modes, including FPS and strategy, so you can easily have the optimum settings for your needs with just the click of a button. Or, if these don't suit you, you can easily set your own custom settings. It also has a blue light reducer and flicker-free technology to help lessen strain on your eyes, so you can feel comfortable even during long gaming sessions without having to worry about the harmful effects of blue light. Overall, this beautifully designed Iiyama curved monitor is packed with awesome specs and features, all for just a fraction of the price that you'd expect, which makes this a really awesome gaming monitor that gives you excellent value for money. We hope you've enjoyed Box's review of the Iiyama G Master Red Eagle G2466HSU-B1. We would love to hear your thoughts on this product. And if you have any questions, make sure to pop them below and we'll get back to you. We've also included the link to buy below. As always, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.